We'll guide you through how to download Claude on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Anthropic website. Once you're there, look for the Products or Downloads section, which is usually located in the top navigation bar. Click on it, and then find Claude among the available options. You might see different versions or packages, so make sure you select the one that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click the Download button for the version you need. Your browser will then start downloading the installer file. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. If you're on Windows, you might see a security pop-up asking for permission to run the installer, so just click Yes or Run to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. Usually, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions and choose an installation path. It's best to go with the default settings unless you have specific preferences. After you finish the installation, you can find Claude in your list of programs or applications. Open it up and you should be ready to start using it. If there's an option for a quick setup or a tutorial, it's a good idea to go through it to familiarize yourself with the features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.